Here, birdie, 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 birdie. What's up, bird? Bird is the word. The bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word. I said the bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word. Oh shit! You done went underground on us, homie. What you doing? Get out my hole, homie. He getting all the wildlife for you, Joe.
Stand back. Oh, are you videotaping him?
Yeah. Look at him.
Give him some,
The
bud.
bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word. Huh?
Brett, he's eating good.
He is eating good. Full tummy for the bird.
Yeah, man. Clean him. Get the bugs out there, bird.
Get that bird. Bird, bird, bird. Bird is the
Yeah,
word.
he down
Yeah,
in
he
there.
going
Whoa.
underground on that ass.
Look at him. He's down in that ground.
Yes, sir.
Down in there.
Get on out of there, bird.
He just pulled him a big old mole out there.
Is that what it was?
Yeah, got him something out there. I can't quite see it.
Yeah, he done went down in there and flew off.
Oh, that might be the female. I think that's the female and the male.
Wonder if they gonna go down in the hole and scrog.
That might. They sure gonna come up through there and get all them bugs we done uncovered. You done uncovered. Watch them work the ditch line.
Yeah, they sure are, ain't they?
They're working that ditch line, boy. Birds ain't.
Man, I sure am glad that they lifted them dang worms out of there, so I ain't got to get them with the shovel.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Thank you, Mr. Bird. Thank you.